Alright, and here we have Mom's lovely shoe with
All
Daisy's toy. And here we have Daisy. Say hi. She
Don't be camera shy.
She doesn't like the camera. Okay, go.
Oh, Daisy got a shoe.
She's hiding.
Don't get me.
I got your feet.
Duh, she does.
Daisy. Daisy. Oh. Where are you going?
Daisy, no. She likes my shoes.
I can't see the toy. Daisy, look up. Look up. She's looking at it like, oh, what am I supposed to do now?
Get the ball. I have to get the ball.
It's mine.
Yay, Daisy. I don't want it.